So here in day 30 of our OSCP Plus journey, we're actually going to show you how we figured out this TryHackMe CTF challenge, and we're going to become an admin without guessing or even changing anything in regards to a password. And we're going to take advantage of security misconfigurations and what we like to call JOT or JSON Web Tokens. And so if you're ready, let's just go ahead and get right to it. What we're up against. My dearest hacker, the TryHackMe shop is open for business. Can you find a way to purchase the hidden Valentine flag item? You can access the web app here. Let's go ahead and take this URL, zoom out back to 100. So when we go here, we kind of got the right dimension. So we've got our burp set up, intercept on the proxies off. So let's go ahead and navigate to this URL. We're going to skip the nmap and all those other information gathering details and just get straight to it. So what we see here is I won't say Shopify or Etsy like, but a shopping site, here with a few products. We see 4 with different amounts of credits. If we click on login, we see a email and password, and we don't want to guess kind of, admin at and then domain, whatever that may be, or look into the DNS stuff. So instead of that, let's go ahead and create an account. We'll do something simple like abc@abc.com, and password, we'll do abc123, and let's hit create account. We'll come over to HTTP history and we'll sort that descending, and we'll take a look at that post request. And we can come here and we can see, okay, cool, everything went well there. Now on our GET request, we can see that there are 2 cookies here. If we go over to our request cookies, there's a tryhartme underscore jot and then a session cookie. And it's actually this jot that we're going to actually take advantage of. So let's click the arrow and we will copy this value. Instead of, doing the separation in a CLI, which we can totally do, we'll go ahead and use jot.io, and underneath the code, let's actually see what we have here. Of course, 3 different items separated by the dots. And if we scroll, we can see that there is a signature or encryption algorithm there. And for the payload, we see our email that we registered with. Ooh, we've got a role called user. So of course, we're going to change that to admin, or at least try. And there's the credits, the values that we have there. Okay. So let's go ahead and come over to encoder, and it'll copy everything we got there. First up, let's change this to none. We'll keep our email the same, and again, we'll change the value for the key of row to admin. Let's give ourselves a lot of credits. We'll take just shy of 10,000 there. And now let's copy this fully updated jot, and we'll come back over here and let's click on, we don't have to just yet, but we'll click on a product, and let's go ahead and inspect this page. We now can go full screen. We're good with Burp. So we'll take a look underneath application. We'll come down to cookies, and let's take a look and see the value here. We'll edit that, clear that out with backspace, paste in our new one and hit enter. Come back over here. Let's refresh our page, and voila, we can see that we've got role admin credit. So it took that updated jot without any checking, without any, of course, no authentication that we changed it to. So definitely some kind of, jot abuse that is going on here due to the misconfigurations. So we saw earlier that there were 4 products. If we come back, now we see the 5th, no image. We see staff there in that broken link, or broken image, or icon, I should say. 777 credits. And we, of course, have more than enough to click on this, and let's go ahead and buy. And we can see there goes our flag. So again, demonstration of how we took care of this Valentine flag and the TryHackMe challenge. Because this event is still active, we're gonna, of course, hide the flag value. But again, that's all we got here. And I want to thank each and every one of you again out there for always rocking here with us here in day 30 of our OSCP Plus journeys. And until next time, stay safe, take care of yourselves, and peace.